Meaning of dulcimer.
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 Dulcimer. A dulcimer is a stringed musical instrument that is played by striking the strings with hammers. It has a trapezoidal shape and is commonly used in folk music. The word dulcimer comes from the Latin word dulcis, which means sweet, and the Greek word melos, which means song. The instrument is known for its sweet and mellow sound, and is often used to play traditional melodies or accompany singing. Overall, the dulcimer is a unique and charming instrument with a long history in various cultures around the world.